Good day everyone. Today I'm gonna discuss how to do the following in Photoshop. The first thing is expand or collapse the panels. If you want to expand horizontally, then just click the top right arrow. And if you want to expand vertically, then just click the top left arrow. And if you want to collapse, then just click the same arrows. The next thing is add and modify panel groups. The first step is click on the window menu. The next step is select the panel you wanted to use. For example, I will choose history, and then a column will be added over here. Okay, and then next is undock, redock, and close the panels. The first step is click the left side of the panel and then drag it anywhere you want it to drag. And if you want to reduct it, and then just do the same thing. And then the next one is create customize workspace. First you click the drop down arrow here and then click new workspace. You can also rename your new workspace, and then click save. Thank you for listening.